I'm about to do exams, so here's my first week of school vlog.
Hey Dayz, today is the first official day of school for me. Last week was the official day for everybody else, but because the schedules weren't sorted yet, I decided not to go. So this week will be my first week. It is 11:40 a.m. My class starts at 1, but we're gonna run some errands before I head to school, so I'll see you guys when I'm at school. When I arrived at school, all my batchmates were gathered in front of the office, so I just joined and we started talking and made a few jokes till the teacher came out of the staff room for class. And even then I didn't go in right away because I spotted the head of our department and I needed to get some information from him regarding my electives. While I was talking to him, a female, not my batchmate, saw the camera and was fascinated. We admired the lack of shyness. I'm currently beside my classroom, not the one behind me, beside it. And there's a lot of strange faces in there. Really. Don't want to mind it, but I'm forced to. So, let me be very clear. I did not end up in this class by my own free will. The teacher caught me outside talking to that blasted camera. It was embarrassing, but you know what? It got me inside the class, but so be it.
We're here resitting building measurement 2.
We're not resitting for the first time. Long time ago.
So, like, probably some places might take PhD.
We're gonna sort out our electives. Oh my god, talking to a camera around you guys feels so weird.
No, watch out. You might make
Classroom, you look fancy. Like, what I mean by the IT?
Hey man, though. The project management.
Project management, I don't want to do it because, you know, it just sounds boring. Like,
I'm not that sound boring, it makes sense. We can't
teach me how to do
outside.
I know for that already, I mean, been a manager the project them. Yes, so when I did the video with everybody, you never did a night.
Are you doing it?
No, you never did it. You did run, come on.
Oh yeah.
It's taking forever to load. So, it's officially done, my first day of school. And now we're heading home. We know you're there. It was a lovely day. Like,
Hola.
hola. Hungry, so we're going to KFC first. So you asked me about school. School is nice. I went into a class today. I'm going to exchange people. Never meet these people yet. Oh, the class I had today was building measurement 2. I dropped it last year, and the last time I did building measurement 1 was in 2019. So I'm way behind. But that's okay. I'll catch up fast enough. Hopefully, maybe, not so sure. Otherwise, it was a good class. New people, didn't like new people. Hope I never have to meet new people again. Okay, so I need your guys' opinion on something because I swear to you, every time I go to KFC, I get even more addicted. Like I could eat it the same day on repeat over and over again. And my conspiracy is they're putting something that should not be in that chicken because it should not be so addicting. You know what I'm saying? Just like Coca-Cola with the you get my point? I'm feeling like KFC been doing some undercover stuff that they're not supposed to be doing. But that's okay because the chicken is good and I'll risk it for the chicken. But I'm like, get me some more chicken because this is so good and it's just taking my money, man. Stop it. Help. trying to get my clothes and change. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let me get my Bluetooth up and get my GPS on. Better things to say, but I don't go anywhere without GPS. Not because I don't know where I'm going, but simply because it just makes me feel safer. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Stuck in traffic. Update, it's now 8:30 and I'm still in traffic. Not even far from my house. This is like lit up the road from my house. So chances are I'll be reaching a class 9 o'clock, probably 10 o'clock. Oh my god, this is not ideal. Oh my. Oh well. While I was recording a while ago, a man was sitting in the back of a truck and he was looking right at me. So I had no choice but to smile and wave, smile and wave. And he smiled and waved back. Most awkward thing to do is somebody catching me talking to this camera while I'm in the car, I swear to you. It's 9 o'clock and I have failed to arrive at school. I'm beside the Devon house now, which is not far from the stretch that leads right up to my school, but you know, 9, 10, 11, 12, that's 3 hours of class. Wow, I'm such a bad student, but you know what? Whose fault is it that they set time for classes so early when traffic is about? And my fault is on my fault. Hopefully they'll change the schedule or change this class, I don't know. Something. Oof, oh my god, this lane. I parked the car lane. Wow, my class is all the way down there. All the way down this long stretch. I'm just hoping class is keeping today. What if I go and it's not keeping? I'd be really, really pissed. I'd be really, really upset. You know what else too? My class always has AC, but I forgot to bring my jacket this morning. And I was taking my leisure time too. I could have stayed and picked it up. Like, this is crazy. This is absolutely ridiculous. I walked all the way down there to find out that class is up here, and now that I'm going up here and I realize I probably won't know anybody in this blasted class because this is supposed to be a year 2 class and I'm in my final year, but I still haven't done this course. I'm going to have to do this course now. Oh my goodness. I don't like this one bit. You see, it's room 3. Okay, so here's what's going on. I arrived 1 hour late to my class. Those are not my batchmates, which means those are not the people that I go to class with on a regular basis. So now I'm in this class learning pre-calculus. Don't know anybody, so I really don't want to take out my camera and just start vlogging. It's very awkward. We're on a mini break right now, so I'm taking it to eat a piece of KFC chicken that I got yesterday. It's just so awkward to be in a class. Today, we have a lunch hour concert going on in the auditorium. You won't be seeing me. I just sat through 1 hour of traffic to get here. I'm not sitting through another hour of traffic just because they want to have a lunch hour concert. As soon as this class is done, I'm hightailing it right back to my house. Yes, pre-calculus completed. Now I only have class tomorrow and I should be done for the week. I don't think I have any classes on Thursdays and Fridays unless the schedule is changed. So I'm gonna set up my phone, my GPS, and hit the road. I didn't even realize you were still there. Let me take you down real quick. I'm halfway home. I'm so home. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And it's only the second day of school. That's crazy. That's crazy. My excitement should not be this high to be home. And I have arrived at home. Finally. See you guys tomorrow. Yes, so it's currently 12:52, class is at 1 and I'm just leaving out. Oh my god, this needs to end. At this point, I am a hazard only to myself because I keep leaving out late. It's 1:11 now and I'm almost at school. Like, that's how good traffic is today. Traffic is on its way. Probably because it's, you know, this early and school lets out at 2. I'm on my way, I'm almost there. I have arrived and the time is currently 1:24, so I made it in less than 30 minutes. Ah, that's crazy. Let me go to my class that I'm late for. You know what I realized once again? I left my jacket. And I know I'm going to be in a AC class. I left my stupid jacket. I left the jacket. We just go through here and walk and see if I can find my class.
Just put the class and the name.
Sorry, more when you catch me from video and come make me sticker.
Me make you a sticker?
And that cover and say,
Come on and tell life on me.
cover.
Unlike it's this class, actually no people in this class. Actually I like the people in this class. Anyways, let me show you Brother Canon and his wife.
Okay guys, this is me. Couple months later, still the same guy. Got a beard now, you know, grown.
What did he say?
What do you talk to you? Got something going on. I wear 3 wings and
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
so get a girlfriend. Yeah. Come on.
He just said I'm free to go if I want to, and I want to. I desperately want to go.
Wait, I got to ask you. Bye.
Alright, please save your work. You guys know to save, right?
Save one. Ashley.
No, but save and you specify.
Hi. I like this little camera. It's cute. Say hi though. Save your work and come on. Hello. Hello. Say hi.
You remind me of everything.
Say hi. It's for Shaday's vlog. Anyways, the fit. So the fit. We see the shoes. So the shoes. Oh, we see the fit. We see the fit. We see the fit. See the fit.
I dropped off my classmates at halfway tree and another one near his place. Now I'm on my way home. I'm almost there. It's 3:33. We got let out early today. But yeah, that is all for the days of my class. I'll tell you how today's class went. He figured we were too smart. The work that he was giving us to revise was too simple for us. So he's like, okay, I'm going to have to go home and research harder things for you guys. So AutoCAD class went really well and I liked it so much. So I'll see you guys when I'm at home. So this is it for my first week of school. It's not really productive. I mean, my schedule isn't sorted out yet, but it was a somewhat productive time going there, I guess. Building measurement class was fine, AutoCAD was fine, and pre-calculus, it was easy. But yeah, this is it for today's vlog.
Come, we'll do our next round of this. Introduce yourself. Hello. Anyways. Jeremiah, introduce yourself. Do. Yes? All are we? Anyways.
Expose me. Alright, my name is Jeremiah Wilson.
Baby.
Great job! Baby father. Like you said.
I'm Jaden there. Just there.
Alright.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Back again with another unboxing video. Mark, you know, future Benz owner.
Shut your shit. B cup. B cup. B cup.
Hello, I'm Elwin. This is my friend Israel. He's the hey guys.
Come early. Yeah, camera shine, nothing. Okay, bye. Come. We're going home. Everybody say bye. I'm Ashley. I don't remember my name.